Hello everyone, this is Becky from Henan Lima Machinery Manufacturer. We are manufacturers specializing in the production of feed equipment, including fish, poultry, livestock, and so on. Today I'm going to introduce the 3 ton per hour floating fish feed production line. As you can see, the first one is the hammer mill, to grind the raw materials into powder. After grinding, we will use a mixer to mix the raw materials evenly. After the mixer, there is a silo. This is our 3 ton per hour twin screw extruder for floating fish feed, which can make different sizes from 1 mm to 12 mm. After the extruder, we use a belt conveyor to transport the fish feed to a dryer. Because fish feed has some moisture, we use a dryer to reduce the moisture. Then we will use another belt conveyor to transport the fish feed to oil sprayer. And then we use a belt conveyor to transport the fish feed into cooler. The function of cooler is to calm down the fish feed into room temperature. After cooler, we use a belt conveyor to transport the finished feed into the packing machine. Thanks.